Alright, so this is gonna be my first video. What I'm gonna try to do is replace the hood struts or the hood lift support in my car. Because if you can see, hold on, there's a latch. If you can see, it does not support anything whatsoever. And I've just been using my a pair of clamps to hold it up. I'd clamp it like right here, but that gets annoying every single time I have to lift open the hood. And use this broom handle, lift the support the hood momentarily. Alright. Give it a shake, see if it's sturdy. It's sturdy. All you really need is a screwdriver to pry off the clips, and maybe this 12mm wrench, just in case you need to take it off the socket. But yeah, let me get started. So I bought an OEM part, Mighty Lift, gas charged lift supports. They're the same thing. Alright, so first off, remove the clip. So if you can see, there's a clip right here, and it's just to hold onto the socket. All you gotta do is just release it, and it pops right out. Same thing to the other one. Let's see. Pry it off, and it pops right out. There you go. Yeah, you can see that is faulty. Alright, take the new one, make sure it goes on the same way. Metal piece goes up top. Alright, so let me start from the bottom. Pry it open, it snaps on, and you might need to lift it up, and there goes my bar. And then same thing here, pry it. Let me see here. Alright, there you go. And that's one. It's really simple. It's simple enough that instructions are on the back of the parts. Let me see here. Let me just have that there just in case it falls down. Alright, then on to the next one. Same thing. Let me start from the bottom. Pry that off. Oh, that one was kind of hard to get off. And then take this part out. This one's greasy. Yeah, that's disgusting. Look at that. Take the new part, install it the same way. Let's see here. Pop it in. Oops, sorry. Take this one, pry it, pop it in, make sure it's secure, try it out. There we go. Let me test it out real quick. Not too hard, only takes like 5 minutes. And there you go. Good as new.